What's the difference between a credit repair company and a credit counseling agency? Credit repair companies, such as Dispute Panda, leverage technology and expertise to streamline the dispute process. They scrutinize credit reports, identify discrepancies, and challenge inaccurate information, aiming for swift improvements in credit scores. These companies often provide tools and resources to empower individuals in managing their credit profiles more effectively. On the contrary, credit counseling agencies offer holistic financial counseling. They work with individuals to create personalized plans for debt repayment, budgeting, and financial education. While they don't directly dispute items on credit reports, they play a crucial role in helping individuals establish better financial habits and navigate challenging financial situations. In summary, choosing between a credit repair company and a credit counseling agency depends on your specific needs. If you're dealing with inaccuracies in your credit report, a credit repair company can target those issues. If you're seeking comprehensive financial guidance and debt management strategies, a credit counseling agency